Bergen Center for Ethics and Priority Setting has the last 3 years supported the Minister of Health in Zanzibar in revision of the essential healthcare package. In July this year, 2022, the benefit package was approved by the President and the government, and they are planning to double the health budget over 10 years, giving priority to more than 300 healthcare interventions. In this film we will learn more about the content of the essential healthcare package and how it came about.
We first had the roadmap, and this roadmap was key because it gave us the guidance through the whole process. So with this roadmap, we shared with different stakeholders, and this is the key in this process because we had to make sure that everyone, every stakeholder relevant was fully engaged right from the beginning of this process. So with the roadmap, then we had a team that was doing the work, and then we start engaging different participants and stakeholders in like selecting the criteria for selecting interventions, then came to the list of intervention itself. Then we had to do the ranking and prioritizing. We should be high, we should be medium and low. Then we had to collect evidence because we have the list of interventions. Then we needed to understand what is the current situation of each intervention in terms of baseline. And then we had to set up the target for the coming 10 years. We did health economic analysis. We had an implementation plan. And then we had to make sure that the package goes through all different approval processes. And we started from the ministry, we went to the multi-sectoral technical committee led by the principal secretaries, and finally it was approved by the minister's cabinet, which is chaired by the president himself.
How is it to work as a doctor at the MANAGEMENET hospital?
I think when I first started working here, we didn't have an abundance of specialists, and we've seen a gradual increase over time. And there are days when it's difficult when you cannot make the diagnosis because you don't have the adequate tests, or sometimes you'll run out of medication because it's not available, so you can't treat the patient. But it has both its challenges and its rewards, and it can be a very tough working environment. So maternal mortality is quite high. We have a lot of mothers who die from postpartum hemorrhage, antepartum hemorrhage and infections. And the essential healthcare package will help to make sure that these mortalities go down. These are young women who shouldn't be dying in childbirth.
So to wrap up, the essential healthcare package in Zanzibar contains 302 healthcare interventions that will be scaled up over 10 years. The health budget has to go from $34 per capita in 2022 to $73 per capita in 2032. And the benefits of that is that life expectancy will increase by 2 life years in 2032, going from 68 to 70.